Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaishnavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE. Today, in this video, I will be discussing about applications of area in integral calculus. Let us start with introduction. Integral calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the concepts of area under a curve. The application of area in integral calculus allows us to find the total accumulation of a quantity over a certain interval. It has numerous applications in various fields such as physics, economics, and engineering. Let us see different applications. Finding an area between two curves. Integral calculus helps us to find the area between two curves. By subtracting the areas under each curve, we can find the desired area. The limits of integration are determined by the points of intersection of the curves. Finding the area under a curve. The integral of a function represents under the curve of that function. By integrating the function over a region interval, we can find the total area enclosed by the curve and the x-axis. This concept is denoted by the definite integral symbol, with the function and interval specified with the symbol. Calculation of total accumulation. Integral calculus allows us to calculate the total accumulation of a quantity over a certain interval. In real-life applications, this can represent the total distance traveled, total sales revenue, or total amount of substance produced. By integrating the rate of change of the quantity over a specific time interval, we can find the total accumulation. Physics application. In physics, integral calculus is used to calculate the total displacement, velocity, and acceleration of the object. By integrating the velocity function, we can find the total displacement traveled by the object. Similarly, integrating the acceleration function gives us the total change in velocity over the certain time interval. Applications in physics. This is one more application. Calculating the area under the velocity time graph gives us displacement. Finding the area under the force displacement graph gives us work done. Integrals helps us to understand the physical quantities and their relationship. Economic application. In economics, integral calculus is used to calculate the total revenue, cost, and profit of the business. In integrals of a revenue function gives us the total revenue generated over a specific time period. By subtracting the integral of a cost function from the revenue integrals, we can find the total profit. Applications in economics. This is also the one more applications in economics. Integrals can be used to measure the consumers and producers surplus. Calculating the area under a demand curve gives us total revenue. Integrals helps economists analyze the supply and demand dynamics. Applications in engineering field. Integrals are used to calculate the moment of inertia. Finding the area under the stress strain curve helps engineers understand the material properties. Calculating the area under the power time graph helps to determine the energy consumption. Numerical integration. In some cases, it may not be possible to find an exact expression for an integral of a function. In such situations, numerical integrations like methods like trapezoidal rule or Simpson's rule can be used to approximate the area under the curve. This method divides the interval into smaller subintervals and approximate the area using simple geometric shapes. Applications in probability. Integrals helps us to calculate the probabilities by finding the areas under the probability density function. By integrating the probability density function, we can find accumulative distribution functions. Probability distributions can be used to analyze the understanding uses integral calculus. Let us conclude the session. The applications of area in integral calculus is a powerful tool and for finding the total accumulation of quantities. It has a wide-ranging applications in physics, economics, engineering, and many more things. By understanding the utilizing the concepts of integral calculus, we can solve the concepts of real life problems and make informed discussions.